the target just so the target wouldn't move. You're just stepping in and back. Everything is ready, knee's gonna come and back. Simple. So I'm not doing that with my same step, exact same. So from here, exact same step. In Kumite you can mix these kicks together. Exact same chamber. The exact same thing. You can go there or around. Exact same thing. Very, very same kick. So block front leg mash. So exact same. Not trying to guess which one I'm doing. So you're not going to get the exact same chamber. And as well, the thing is for Kumite, don't try and do serious damage doing these techniques. They're for competition. They're controlled. Not full contact kicking. It's technical that we're doing. So left leg in front, half step up, uromashi. So remember you're coming off something. You're not scrape or tearing through something. So whatever way your kick goes out, even through then, it comes back the same way. Never goes in that way. Down where it is, your back leg stays there, just tip and up. And then go back. So ready? It's just going to be in, boom, boom, and back. So without the target, what you're going to do is up and then back. So it's drop the foot and then straight back up, uromashi and back. Yes. And again, we'll come. Take it. Go. Hook. Stretch. Touch. Go. 2. 3.
Yeah.
And relax your cuff. So. And then back and then change. Down, push. And back. Don't leave them out there. No shortcuts. Big kizami. Full twist. And then back. You ready? Left. A little example. I'm not going to move my feet. But there, we're using my hips. You get in there. Big twist. So we're using. And that's in a basic stance. If we're up on toes, we go more. That way we go really big. With big twist, it's still basic practice all the way around. All the way back. And back. Knee. Thump. Two. Go. Hook. Reach. Touch. Go. One block. So it'll be the same tempo as the attacks. So when I show that punch, you know you're going to go back. And then we go on the other side, same down, push. So get a counter and come back. Then down and push. And then back. So it's the back leg now you're going to counter, not Yakuzuki. And bring it back. And then there. Because, so go really fast. step back more, step more. So this is basically how a front kick would come in. See, it's going to come up my front leg like that. There. So I'm not standing to go. I'm not trying to block. Even him, if he wasn't afraid of me and he kicked that properly, that'll hurt me. That'll hurt. If I stand there, I'm sliding away. No. There. So I'm moving my body. Ready? Right leg back first. Back with the left. Itch. Now I'm gone away behind him. Really gone away behind him. Go. So I'm gone away behind him. Look. Bang. So one more. There you go. There. Lovely there. And I don't have to move this. That's set up now already. So I blocked it there. Right leg comes the whole way around. Uramashi. And back, or half step back way, whatever we need. Leg forward. And here we go, come back. And then change other leg down as well. And back. Ready? Go. Whack. 10 of those by yourself for full speed. Visualize where your target is. Remember, you're moving up now to an angle. So I have to be somewhere here. I can't be doing my uramashi here now, because the attack has come from there. So it's going to be up there somewhere. Bang. I don't know what that is. Who I'm fighting. One, they're blocked there. They're right there. But yeah, visualize what you're doing. Then you get a partner. It's simple. Then drive. So try and go as slow as I can. It's straight line. Just going to go directly straight. Use your hips. Come back. Pitch. And back. Leg. And back. Thump. Two. And back. Go. And back. Hook. And back. Touch. And back. Touch. And back. Two. 2, 3, and shake. Okay. So I'll try and go faster. I won't even go up to shimmy. I know it might look like Santa Claus, but not. There. So Joel and one more. I missed coming to myself. Ready to go. So I have to kind of cheese and kick down the back of the head. Just because